Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to set custom notification sound in Samsung A16. If you are using A16 and you want to set custom notifications, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to open Play Store, then go for search and search for this one. Just search for this and here just open the first app and you just have to install this app. Just wait for installation, then we'll have a simple setup. After installation, just tap on open to open the app, and here you just have to make a simple setup. Just select accept and continue, then select allow notifications, and here just tap on the cross icon in the top right corner and go for notifications, or get the ringtones and then select notification sounds, and here you just have to select any notification sound which you like. As I'm going to select, let's say this one, just tap on it, and here just tap on download icon, then select set notification. So you just have to enable that toggle, and after that your notification sound will be updated. So in this way you can easily set custom notification sound in Samsung A16. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.